boy King Sully back in this thing with another one today. I'm out early morning, loaded the four-wheeler up and stuff. We're going to Cars and Coffee real quickly, guys. They say they got a brand new location for us, so it should be pretty cool today. Check out the new location and just have some fun this morning. As I said, guys, I'm bringing y'all as much content as possible up until the summer. This summer we definitely going crazy. Got a lot of stuff lined up already. Car show is in the works. I am planning to host another one this year in Central Arkansas area, so y'all be on the lookout. Please put your notifications on right now, y'all. Hit that notification bell. You're gonna definitely need it, because I'm coming with some stuff, guys. I'm coming with a lot. So yeah, man, today we just gonna have some fun, laid back, chill morning. And later on I got my daughter's 6-month little party. She just hit 6 months. Shout out baby girl Gianna. Shout out to her mom getting everything together and all that stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun little day, guys. And we also got some more things in the works for next week. So I'm dropping back to back, y'all. I'm gonna have a lot of stuff coming. Like I said, just be on the lookout. And yeah, guys, we got the four-wheeler back there. Like I said, I don't know if y'all can see it. The four-wheeler is back there. But once we get there, guys, we're gonna go on ahead and get some content. Y'all stay tuned. All right. Nice little Viper over there. I like that. Classic. We just now pulling in, y'all. Brought the Yamaha out today. Hill Keezy. Shout out to my boy Mr. Freeze, man.
Yeah, you serious? The boy
Red Eye Freeze.
Got the cameras out.
Yeah, it was some fun, man. I like this new location too, bro. It's nice. Yeah, this more like it. What's up, man?
Mocha Brown.
That boy came tough.
See, that's me with $1,000 shoes on.
I wish. So with y'all, bro?
It's more nice.
What's going on, man? Birthday boy.
What's good with you, boy?
What's going? We go birthday boy tomorrow.
You go follow, subscribe, whatever. I like that exhaust on there. Nice. Oh yes, sir. I know this is what we like. Sounds good too. All right, bro. Boy Freeze, he gonna get out of this thing. I see you got the lights, light up logo. It's clean. I'll go follow. Follow SRT Freeze. Red eye on there. Ooh, they really brought them out this time, y'all. Ferraris. We're gonna take a step back real quick, y'all, because I did bring the four-wheel out. It's my first time bringing the four-wheeler to a car show. On the Gladiator. BMW, nice. Like that. Porsche. It's a Volkswagen, I like that. Pretty cool. This thing is crazy. First time seeing one of them. I love these Cadillac ATSs. It's the ATS V. The fast one. I always wanted one of these, y'all. Thing carbon fibered out. Real nice. Gotta give me another Cadillac one of these days. It's a fun car. Look at this Ferrari though, y'all. Jesus. Woo. Yeah, they really went crazy today, y'all. Brought them out today. That's what I like to see. Definitely a good car show day, y'all. Real glad I came out. I always try to support. Things sound nasty, y'all. Look at that Porsche. Nasty.
That's a DJI?
Yeah, yeah. It worked pretty good.
I got that 360 camera. Look, keep it on
Cadillac CTS-V. My type of timing right there. Looking good. I think these only came in sticks, y'all. All manual. Yep, definitely a manual. This thing is clean though, y'all. I don't really see too many of these either. It became real rare. If you see one of these, it's definitely a gem. I think this is like the old, I could be wrong, y'all, but I think this is like a 08 model, 09, something like that. Definitely glad I came on out today, y'all. Really good content day. Trans Ams, Camaros. Y'all know the Firebird, one of my favorite old schools. T-tops. Corvette. Cobra. Ooh, this Falcon right here is clean. I love these, y'all. Oh yeah. And it sounds good. God, this thing is clean. All black everything. Favorite color. Looking good. GTR out here. Full race car. Seen this one a couple of times. Definitely love it. Got that Nismo. Stripes look real good. Crazy. Look at the guts in the inside, y'all. Very nice.
If you want to come back with that.
Look good. Sound good. RT Scat Pack. Got the Jeep lineup. You know, I just joined the Jeep gang, so gotta support. The turbo. Man, I love this. Got the custom exhaust on the side. Look at that. I really like this, y'all. It's nicely done, for real. Chevy. Very nice. I'm loving that Jeep though, y'all. Maybe it look good, y'all. That Scat Pack. My guy brought that Blackwing out here. And guess what, guys? He said he finna actually trade this thing off, get a Corvette. That's a vet right here. It's the Blackwing. The real deal. It's the fast one, y'all. Don't play with it. The color nasty, y'all. It's like a bluish gray. It's crazy. I like that. Well, your boy came out. Had to pop out with the four-wheeler today. Got it running. Had some people wanted to look at it. Alright guys, I just pulled up over here at Walmart. Man, I had a whole lot of fun over there at the show today. Had some real good cars. Yeah, but I'm finna move on with the rest of my day. I got this little party for baby girl. My baby turned 6 months, so yep, we're gonna I'll probably record a little bit of that too. I don't know if it'll end up being on this video or not, because y'all know how I am. I just upload, y'all. So it may or may not be on this video. But yeah, moving on to that for the rest of the day. I got a whole lot in store, guys. A lot more uploads coming. I got videos right now just ready to drop. So as soon as I get the chance, I'm gonna be editing, dropping back to back to back. So yeah, put your notifications on right now, guys. I need you to do that so that way you don't miss anything. Hit that like button for me right now. And yeah, we going up, guys. Road to 10K. Gotta hit this 10K, y'all. Let's do it very, very soon. But yeah, let me get in here. I'm gonna get my items. I'm freezing my butt off today. It was cold out here, but I still had to get this content for y'all, guys. Grind never stops. Y'all know how they go. But man, love y'all. All the supporters out there. If you support me, you know I support you. And I'm getting out of this thing, y'all.